जितने भी स्टीवर्ड्स और जीएसए जितने भी रेस्टोरेंट में काम करते हैं उनके लिए स्पेशली ये जो वीडियो है, कभी कभी फॉरेन गेस्ट आता है जो हमेशा टेबल एटिकेट्स फॉलो करते हैं वो नॉलेज के लिए, और उसके अलावा भी एक ये जो टेबल एटिकेट्स है, अगर हम कहीं फॉरेन में जाते हैं और किसी 5 स्टार होटल में जाते हैं तो ये जो स्पून एंड फोक का जो मेन एटिकेट्स होता है और जो इंडिकेशंस होता है, मैं उनके बारे में बात करूंगा। नमस्कार, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हॉस्पिटैलिटी चैट विद सौमित्र। तो पहले जब हम खाना खाने से पहले टेबल का सेटअप ऑल पर्पस फोक, ऑल पर्पस स्पून एंड नाइफ होता है, दैट्स हाउ इट इज ऑलवेज मेंटेन ऑन एज इन टेबल कवर। बट जब भी कोई गेस्ट की फर्स्ट कोर्स से सर्विस हुआ और वो खाना खाते खाते सपोज ही हैज गॉट ए कॉल and then the table fork and knife is placed like this, that means, or he is talking after that, and in between he has got a call and then he has started talking, so do not clear the table. This indication means the guest has taken a pause. I mean, guest has taken a pause. He will have that meal later on. So that's the one indication. It's a pause indication to call. The second, it's once he has finished his first course and he gives an indication of like this, I mean fork and knife, it does mean that he is ready for his next meal or next course during his lunch or dinner. Then again, as I said, there are any call comes, then he might give a pause signal, which I have shown my previous setup. Then once while having food, गेस्ट अगर खाना खाते खाते कभी भी आपने ऐसे रखा spoon and fork, that indication is called as he did not like the food. Immediately the stewards has to go and speak to the guest and give an alternative or a suggestive better dishes as per his or her choices. So that indication means he absolutely did not like the food. And once there is an indication of a fork and knife, it's like this. This indication means he is absolutely amazed with the taste of the food. He liked it quite well and he is very happy with the meal provided. And the last but not the least, once guests generally finish their meal, he might keep their fork and knife like this. This indicate that guest has finished his meal. So I have shown you 5 different indications: pause indications, then next meal indications, then third one when guest did not like the food, fourth indication was all about guest was amazed with the taste of the food, and the final indication, if it's like this or probably like this, that means that guest has finished his meal. So remember, all the people who are working for a 5-star hotel and generally in restaurant or a fine dining restaurant, if he finds this kind of indication from guest, that for their knowledge, please act accordingly. Or general people who always goes 5-star hotel, they can also provide same kind of a indications for the people to understand his view. So thank you so much, and the people who have not subscribed, please subscribe. There are a lot of general knowledge are also coming and practical knowledge are also coming in future. Stay tuned. Namaskar.